to part 3.3 of chapter 3. Parts of the nervous system. I am going to trip over my words, but let's jump into our learning objectives. 1, describe the difference between the central and the peripheral nervous systems. Explain the difference between the somatic and the autonomic nervous systems. And last, differentiate between the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions of the autonomic nervous system. Let's jump into it. And of course, I have pictures. Objective 1, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The brain and spinal cord make up the central nervous system. The peripheral nervous system is comprised of the somatic and the autonomic nervous systems. The somatic nervous system transmits sensory and motor signals to and from the central nervous system. So that is objective 2 also. And there's that picture. To continue, the autonomic nervous system controls the function of our organs and glands and can be divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic divisions. This goes into objective 3. Sympathetic activation prepares us for fight or flight. We've all heard that saying. While parasympathetic activation is associated with normal functioning under relaxed conditions, so your everyday life. And that is 3.3.